Good morning, everybody, and welcome to our life in the Philippines. This is just a short little update after the experience we had yesterday with the earthquake. From a personal point, I have never been in an earthquake of this magnitude. I've been in maybe 2 or 3. In the last 5 years I've been here. I felt, the curtain swaying and that kind of thing, but it has never been this magnitude. We were just about to start our dinner, and we heard this big bang on the roof, and I think that there might have been some cats or other things there. Animals normally feel these things before human beings does, so we had a lot of turmoil on top of the roof and the roof covering our dirty kitchen out there. So my wife said, "What's that?" And then suddenly we felt the floor started moving, and we tried to get out as soon as possible. It was even hard to walk out because the floor was moving pretty violently. It was like I was walking out like a drunk. And when I got out of the carport, I see my motorcycle walking around on the stand on the floor. So then I know, oh boy, this is an earthquake. I jumped out. Everybody was running out of their houses and gathered on the streets, and you can see that in my first video. People that was shot last night, right maybe 30 minutes after the quake, and everybody's out on the street. And, the good thing here is that here in this barangay, we had absolutely no major damages. There is some cracks in the road, and there was a few little things that was probably caused by this earthquake. But we walked around and met with people, chatted with people. Take a look at that video. I'll put up there. I will put a little thing right now, and you can see that video as well. So that was a good thing. Casualties has been reported, especially in the Lubao region. From what I understand, around there somewhere there was a grocery store that collapsed, and from what I hear, they had pulled out about 11 people that suffered and didn't survive. And they're still actually having canine dogs and other things in there, from what I understand. I'm not the kind of guy that want to spread around information to turn it to disinformation. I recommend everybody, if you have relatives around in the areas here, I recommend everybody to do a little Google search. There is several news bureaus that are reporting factual news, hopefully, so you can take part in that. There was also some bridges that collapsed. There was also, if we look here around this area, I haven't seen any damage except at the international airport where some roof caved in somehow. And today, if you are traveling, the Clark International Airport is actually shut down until tomorrow, and we got to wait for an update on that too. I will probably do another short video later on this afternoon around 6-7 p.m. But just to calm everybody down, we are fine here. We are doing great. It's a beautiful day. People seems to, and you probably hear it, people seems to be back to normal. The karaoke is going here in the neighborhood again, and it makes it fun, and seems everybody's relaxed today. There was about looking at it, there was about 400 aftershocks so far recorded up till about 6-7 a.m. this morning, but none of them came close to the 6.1, 6.3 that started the whole thing. Here in this area, we have not felt any aftershocks at all. At least I haven't. So that's a short little report. If you're a subscriber, or if you're not a subscriber, it's a good time right now to hit that subscribe button. This channel is simply a channel that demonstrates a foreigner's life in the Philippines. And earthquakes is a vital part of that. Being on this ring of fire, it's going to happen again. It's just a matter of when. But it's part of daily life, and we're all doing fine with it. So that said, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell, and you will get all our updates. And don't hesitate to do that right now. Oh, there is a subscribe button. So go ahead and hit that and hit the bell. We will stay updated with us. The other thing, before I say bye-bye to you, is this channel also, we want to interact more and more with our subscribers, in the sense that we offer the service where we actually want you to tell us if there are certain things in this area that you want us to film and document. And we have had several requests, and we have pretty much fulfilled every single one of them. Where people want to see the area, where they grew up. It could be for various reasons. You might want to see an area where you're planning on thinking about moving. Any reason. Get in touch with us. You can go to our website and go to our contact form and hit the button for that. Contact up in the menu on the website, and just simply send us a message there, and we will reply to you. We will try to accommodate your request as soon as possible. For that, for now, thank you for watching, and God bless. Hit the subscribe button.